gap yet?
I'll hit the gap when I want to hit the gap, and right now I'm just not ready. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Lies.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Whenever somebody else isn't ready for something, you push them to do it.
No, that's not true at all.
That
I would never.
100% you.
I would never do that.
True?
Liar.
No.
Metro Buggy, you said, "Hey Dom, I got a car for you."
I don't do that ever.
Liar.
What do you say? Why? I don't. I would never do
I used to
that.
walk in the, I remember I-
There's a tree gap.
Hey Dom, try this.
Should change his name from Fathom to like Pusher or name.
Right here.
Like that.
No, whenever he starts to talk about
And this guy over here tried it twice and didn't successfully make it.
I went through that hole.
Okay, he went through the hole, but he crashed on the exit, so it didn't count. There's no way that counted. All right, we had a good day of flying today. It's rainy.
It sucks.
It sucks. It's drizzly. It's foggy. The grass is wet. We've destroyed everything. I broke an arm on my quad. Robbie's is actually not broken, surprisingly. I don't know how.
I heard about 30 wrecks.
Yeah, you're dirty, watery, muddy, yucky mess. I cracked an arm. It's not fun. Oh well, I got extras. And we got some carnage today, which is pretty cool.